Hello, everyone. Today, I'll show you how to check USCIS case status correctly in 2026. Many applicants get confused because they don't follow the correct process, and this simple method works best. First, find your USCIS receipt number. You can see it on the I-797 receipt notice. It usually has 13 characters like IOE, EAC, WAC, LIN, or SRC. Next, go to the official USCIS case status online page. Always use the official USCIS website. Avoid third-party tracking sites. Now enter your receipt number carefully. Don't use spaces or dashes. Even one wrong letter will show incorrect results. After that, click Check Status. Read the full message shown. Don't judge only by the title. Next, understand common messages. Case was received or actively being reviewed are normal. USCIS does not update status daily. Now, log into your USCIS online account. Linking your case helps track updates better. You may receive notices online. After that, enable email or text alerts. USCIS will notify you when the status changes. This saves time. Next, check USCIS processing times. Compare your case with the official timeline. This tells you if your case is delayed. Finally, check your mail regularly. Some updates arrive by mail before online status changes. Don't rely only on the website. So yeah, checking USCIS case status correctly means using the official site, entering the receipt number properly, understanding messages, enabling alerts, checking processing times, and monitoring mail. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for listening, stay calm, and I'll see you in the next guide.